Exposing the danger in downloading Optifine from the wrong place. Fake sites are everywhere, and your Minecraft world deserves better. Here's how to get Optifine the right way. No stress. First, before anything else, only download Optifine from optifine.net. If someone sends you a special link for 1.2, 1.6, just say nope. As of July 1st, 2025, the official Optifine 1.21.6 might not be out yet, so keep an eye on the official site for updates, and don't trust unofficial versions. When it's ready, here's the step-by-step. Make sure you have Minecraft Java Edition and you've launched 1.21.6 at least once. Download and install the latest Java if you haven't already. Go to optifine.net/downloads, click the 1.21.6 version, skip any ads, and grab the .jar file. Double-click to run the installer, hit install, then open your Minecraft launcher and select the new Optifine profile. That's it, game on. Still waiting for release? Bookmark the official site and stay safe.